And there's some interesting things we can do with this. If I click this one right here and I go insert, table columns to the left. Now I've inserted a column. It's still in this table. And I'm going to call this city. Okay. Because if you look here, I have block iron and supply dash Oshkosh. So if you remember, if you were with us last week, we did some text math in our formulas. So what we want to do is we want to find the first character after the dash to the end of that text. So if I say equals, we're going to mid gives you the middle of a text string, and I want to find that dash because it's not in the same place in every text, right? So I'm going to use a Excel function called find, and I'm going to find this, dash in this, starting at the first character. And then that's not the first letter of my city name, is it? There's a space after the dash. So I'm going to have to add +1. And now I don't know how long the city name is. Well, there's a good answer for that. I can just say 256. 256 is the largest length of a text string, or it's a very large length of a text string. So what it's going to do is it's going to find that city. So here we are, Oshkosh. And notice what happened. It copied that formula all the way down to the bottom of the table. So now I have a city for each one of these characters. So now if I wanted to summarize my sales by city, that would be pretty easy, wouldn't it? Because I now have a field that separates the city from the company, from the sales name. So now that we've got that, we can see how a formula is created. Let's go over here and we'll create one more formula and just show you how we're going to right click here and insert table columns to the left. And we're just going to say, this is late. Yes / no / not question mark. Right? So how am I going to get a yes or a no in there? First of all, I need to know if it's been shipped. Okay, so right now this is our confirmed ship date. And over here is our required ship date. So I want to know, is my confirmed ship date equal to or less than the required ship date? Or is it blank? Or is it greater than? So now I want to know is if it's greater than, and if it's today, then it's late, correct? So I'm going to say equals. Now we're going to use a new function, if. And now I'm going to put another function in here, or, and now I have to separate each function with parentheses. This is greater than required ship date. That's the first or I'm going to check to, or This is equals blank, which we represent with two quotes. And I'm going to step back here because we got to do something a little bit different. Notice as this says at confirmed ship date, at required ship date, those are all the table column names. That's why it's able to copy that all the way down. I'm going to stick another one. And today is greater than the confirmed ship date. Got that in the wrong place, didn't we? Okay. These are kind of long formulas. And today is greater than required ship date. So now, if either one of those are true, if either it's the confirmed ship date is greater than the required ship date, or the confirmed ship date is blank and today is greater than the required ship date, then we want that to say, yes, it's late. And if it's not, if that's neither one of those are true, then the false of that is going to be no. And we press enter. So now we have a marker to say how many late shipments do we have.